Hey guys, it's Jeff the Maintenance Man. I'm cleaning some carpet today and got a little bit of blood on it. So if you're squeamish, do not watch this video. Say a little bit, and using that term lightly, it's more than a little bit. So you have been warned. So come along, shall we? Okay, this looks like a murder scene. I hope she's alright. Jesus. Hello? She fell, guys. She must have cut herself when she fell. Housekeeping is left for today, so I'm stuck with it. It's not good. I hate doing this crap, but let's see what we can do to get this out. Poor thing, man. She's a nice woman. Yeah, I hope she's okay. Fuck. So there's no more. Just doing this for document purposes here, so. Well, let's get started. I got my little sucker out there. I'm gonna suck up the stuff and we'll get it on the road. Yeah, so I got this little sucker thing here, so I'm gonna clean the carpet with it. Something I have to do. It's not my job to do, and I could say it's not my job, but you know, I don't like doing it, but yeah. And the longer this sits in here, it's going to make somebody else's job harder. So, you know, we'll see what we get in the end results there. So, sorry guys, I know this is kind of nasty. If you're squeamish or anything, I'm sorry. But the warning in the front of the video, you have been warned. So, let's see what I can do with this little machine here, this little guy. And let's see if we can get this cleaned up. Okay guys, so I had to bring out the big boys, and now as you can see it's a little bit better. I still need a spot clean with a smaller one, but had to bring out the Commodore 20. Yeah, this baby has a brush on the bottom, and yeah, so this helped out a lot getting all the big stains up. So I just need to go where this can't go and just tediously show you what I'm doing. Yeah, because the blood was way too thick in this area to be using just this. So, not doing anything. It's soaking. Soaking. Trying to save the carpet. let that soak. Make sure I did flush her toilet. That would be terrifying. Yeah, the whole toilet bowl was just red as it could be. I'm just gonna flush it one more time. Just to make sure, because the color of blood was what was in this tank when I dumped it. So we'll let that soak into the carpet, and I'll continue sucking up the stuff. And there's a couple of little spots over here, and I'll go ahead and get the spots in front of a refrigerator. That's not blood, but that's other things. But might as well just clean it all while I'm here. So let's go ahead and run this puppy one more time over this thing here. Let's see. It doesn't like to go backwards. It's made for hallways, really, not for this stuff. Alright, fire in a hole. Autopilot. That's going way fast. It's getting better. See what we can do. So I'm just going to use mini me here and see if I can get that little extra over there and that, and then I think I'll be done. Alright guys, we'll be back. Okay guys, looks pretty dang good to me. I don't see any blood. So yeah, been working on this for about 20 minutes. Poor woman, she's so nice. Unfortunately, this is something that we have to jump in, and well, I don't have to, but I jump in because it's going to save our carpet. It's kind of a maintenance issue when we need to, and it looks bad when the family members, you know, come back and the blood's still here, and it's sat, and not to be disgusting or anything, but coagulated like it already had. So haven't had to dump this one, but I had to dump this one 3 times to do the spot cleaning. Blood's no joke, man. We have carpet cleaners, but you know, there's still like little wet spots. Those are wet spots, those little brown spots. Trust me, it's clean. But there's still some little wet spots I probably missed sucking back up the water, but that's okay, it can sit there. This is one of those jobs that just the maintenance man has to just jump in and do. Housekeeping is not here. It was an emergency. 911 was called, obviously, and then I don't know what happened to her, but I know the person. I've known her for quite a while, and I hope she's okay, guys. So thanks for watching, Jeff the Maintenance Man. Y'all keep liking, commenting, and subscribing. Y'all have a great day. I still am, even though I'm doing this, I'm still having a good day. Y'all have a good one.